Today, we're going to make a tape block train.
Colour of your LED. There's a long side and a short side. If we put it in, you'll find it'll be red. Now with these ones, if you turn the battery the other direction, it'll have a second colour. So you can decide which way around you'd like it to run. So this one I'm going to make the train. So the train needs an LED that sits there, and it only needs one.
Use a piece of the conductive tape to hold down the leg of the LED. Make sure that you take the tape halfway around the back of the block. Use a second piece of tape to tape the second leg of the LED down. Then wrap the tape all the way around the block. When you come to the back, make sure that you leave about a 1 centimetre gap. You can then insert the battery carrier so that the two pins go into the two pieces of tape at the back of the block. When you insert the battery carrier, the light will come on. You can then use the sheets of foam that were provided to create the train character. It's up to you how you do these decorations. The foam can be cut with just normal scissors. But here we're using the green to give shape to the back of the train. You can cut pieces of the foam to decorate your train. So we're using the yellow and green to create the back section of the train. When I'm decorating, I tend to make all of the pieces that I'm going to decorate with and then stick them on. This just stops the pieces from sliding around with the glue, so I like to have them all prepared and then I stick them on together. But you don't have to, you can stick them on as you go along. I'm creating a nose and a mouth for the front of the train. Now we have all of the pieces that we need cut out, so I'm going to glue them down. As you glue the foam pieces down, if they slide around, you can use a pin to hold the foam in place. We're using these black discs for the wheels. Then we glue on the face and the eyes. Then it needs to be sat really, really still so that it can dry.